enti Aflao King our teardrum wadwa lie also hwe media neso ase sebe kwasea bia na odi ewura tem kwasea bia na okase tia ewura enti nko kwa pai obe send warning to omu kase tia ewura no o tirem say he obi bia be kase tia ewura e wo Ghana asaso yesu no ono bedino nyonyo me mo ntiremu no akyere wadwen amame e wo comment section hi Penyah block media meso ase any dim obe like video no da ma subscribe button number click the notification icon for latest updates abakyere wadwen da amame e wo comment section meso so baso no wa shebe poso anya bi afe eya na nke yesi okoto se aboa bi ti wunua so a ka kire nze sori yeso enka kire sori ne so eze bi ofinzo na ode ba wo so but Ghana hanom no ahini ani hu sensem no panyi ni wo mu ahifu china wo ye de ebi da bi achi but anybody be needs anti ase no even to the point that some of the chiefs cry no anybody omu greater chiefs and other kings and because of that they intentionally sponsor attack omu had a sponsor attack on some great kings amaba Ghana had the most insulted and the most attacked king Otumfuo Asantehene na Ashanti ya ho under than the form no kwase bia no attack no e ma na nsin e ma say Baba Charlie eso ebe kana nchira asanefo no ene Otumfuo.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We dey kan twi me video your friend say message to Ashanti kingdom, message to the authorities of Ghana. Your friend Isa Abdul Mumin Metitafo me asisala ni me 39 years me ekramoni me say amanfo hu de nam social media so enam Otumfuo ayi ne so boy na your friend Mustafa ya boro no ono ntira mi ye video wi obi anhwe mani mu yie yenya mo bi mu se ya asori afri nam yenya mo menso me se tisia edum na me kasa no false lie me se me kura nya na dwena me video na wi akete menso me se Otumfuo oni hu abrafo no me se omu ni hu asantefo bosom no nyina hu nim akoside na ukude na amoye no a yebegu nsa wo ayi ahimfie no edum ahimfie no abuzonfo no nyina hu nim edum na me kasa no se mo se ebibi wo mo amama bosom bi mbo me nhwefom de moya ya mo asem yani abiu se se yani ate ya sora free nam de mo de ye boy no enye what I say menso me se obi anio me ya adwuma wo edum nsu ase opposite railways police station hona me so me ya adwuma mo nhwe ma ni me obi ani me obi asi dam na mabo me se me mo dam ma hu nyame chene ma hye ade na Ghana mpanyinfo mo hae sa na ye mo aye nim de ye sa ye nim de ye mpanyinfo no mu na mu nim nso asisie na mu sisie se se ya ni abie mu di agura e mo bo ntokwa si Ghana boy na mo bono no mu di agura e be mo ntokwa si Ghana ye nsuro mi dunyame muntafo munimie ye na ekudi asanteman to ho ya ene mo be kire se mu ho den ye na mo ba beboye mo be kire se mu ho den ye mi dunyame se de gombofo na mo to condemn no mo ko betima abo asanteman mo pa ye mfa bibi police ni soldier no kra se omu ni hu uniform na aka uniform ena aka omunyina ya konfo mama obi soja ni ana police ni bi mfa tuo bi mbeda omutuo no police for 10 tuo ba ko pe na ya adwuma wom ene kura ababa ba tu na wom krono nyina yo corrupt hwe ye big team mudi agura be man tokwa si Ghana mudi agura mu Ghana police se musi Otumfuo otumi a ne won ene won condemn galamsey adwuma shop na etutum na nyese bia esuro obi o ye nsuro bia e respect Asante fo mumma ma adwimbie mumma hwe ma menka asɛm nkyira mu se musi mu hoden a galamsey no e wa Ashanti region muntu ase mo amunim se yantafo ye na ekuma mo ye na egi Ashanti region to ho ye senka mi donyame senka nye Otumfuo na oteso no opeye ntafo asem a mi donyam se ka ya pam afra Ashanti region by opeye asem nti mi se mi message na mi da to no me so me se Mustafa na mo bono no mudi agura ntafo ni mudi agura ebeye ntokwa wo ntafo ne Asantefo ntemu mudi agura ebeye ntokwa ewo ntafo ne Asantefo kurum mudi agura ebeye ntokwa ewo ntafo ne Asantefo ntemu nti munye steady munni hu munni tumi bia respect na respect ndira ya mpia nkwa adwuma aha ba mi fa akonya wesu e de akasa akire nkramofo nti me tani akwa Hausa ansa na me de abatwi Jamaa kunga picha ngana na dibia kenga anzana I'm just confused. One ana crash champion donor yana kan TikTok ko waje search duba wanga video. Wanga na yayi video ne kan wani magana da malam Anas yayi kan kan lamarin shushuka abinda muke shushukawa kan kabari na irin muka je muka bisa mutum flower da muke shushukawa kai nan. Yaro samaringa yayi wani bayani kai. Bayanin da yayi kai nan wallahi yana need sosai musulmai ku falka duba musulmai ku falka duba ba karamin video bane inda mutane 100 su understand video shi na show da an tashin kiyama sheri na mai ni kada ki understand abu ashe boys ba sana understand abu an boye haka kuje ku search kuje ku search ashe champion donor ba karamin mutum bane champion donor ashe ba karamin mutum bane kuje ku search video shinga ku duba bye bye nti de wom no na maka kire mu no mun di agro ebeye tokwa ebeye ntafon tokwa mudi agro ebeye ntafon tokwa mudi agro ebeye ntafon tokwa mudi agro ebeye ntafon tokwa munye steady misuma aka misi munni hu misuma animnie bye bye
Emma baba chere nkwasi attack we no omu kwache no ama ene opa ache wo
acho me na mididi Asantehene atem no misi me ya adwuma wo railways police station opposite no sa video na me na ensenhunu me ni kwan se me sa video no minim de camera me koye sa de
se ojitum se bema okumase
mema okumase
na wo se bema ni kumase se bema okumase
mema o
ti ne kura ne se wo pa Ghana fo ne Asantehene nyina
mi dika pa Ashanti kingdom na chaw
okay
se video na me ye
okay
ensenhunu
okay
because Otumfuo Ghana kwa ahemfu ni nyina kwa Otumfuo ne di esa video na me ye no manyaje nti me ko bia chaw Asantini bia me pa Asantini bia chaw
okay
Ene Ghana phone na bia
bia video ko tru
bia wa hu sa video ba bia video na ko tru bia e pa bia chaw say me nya sa de
chese na we abedi Otumfuo atem echina na we echina ene na we echina na we ana obeke a emu ho nche bia ana Aflao side ho no no mabunu bi ebedi yewura atem kikon waje tire yewura tan obi kan waje tire yewura tan na sa ansensem na ekoso eno ana Aflao King wo che da bi wontena ho ema sebe motofia yen kran nipa bi ani bre bi ahye uma ni jimi ahye uma bi anu fa yewura ni betwitwi fam eti no wabema won o kirem se obi biara ifru neko obeka seti ayewuro Otumfuo ono bedi na nyonyo
Children is an institution and they have established it. We have to go and learn from them. come down, we what? Repackage and brand ours and to be greater than theirs. Many choices about the Otumfuo Asantehene. Sir, at my prepare, I will go invite the predecessor 54 for the put up a name. You book one, who are the governor, who invite me. Osetutu in the city flat. I don't know, I get a quick more than I invite me. I guess about the people that were Ashanti that may now open car dressing. They may not let my one be to it. I don't know where I'm repackaging them. Go to the people and learn from them. You can't sit down and defeat the people. Go to them. Become more we will mess up. Amaresia, they are too much. I condemn mama, I destroy. How can we develop this solution like that? And the media will sit down, the media will not attack such people and correct that situation. The media will sit down and let those things to escalate. I mean, what about the people if you be whether one out of your people? Talk about your car, I was up to my dog, but what way we are on? But you know about this, you know, is not down like that. We will not continue like that. We will evolve. We will go up. We will follow what is good. Yeah. You me to do John after when you show do don't to do bonka I'm the shika prosaro that come to your side et you come in that let me menya the comua you are no blow you go get to do shia do blow do the shika. Many British go up the net of good, the British man, what the Chicago you call Chicago open car, the colonial. No, that chariot. The British will call Chicago chariot. Come with Yarama, come here with diamond, but Chicago of Yakukwe. And you do a year as Chicago Badia. Macom Casareta, when you made a bow. What is the difference? Jomian double court dominary, Jonga on land and the Gayaman. No! Have you got the moment of what I'm touching in your home? You want to have you? Don't have more. Telling you, I'm not fighting Jabba. Maybe I'm the Benedict Jabba, and you know, you know, man. Arumia funka, a tone more wapo, actually, a tone more wapo, and I'm away. If you can't talk in Miller. I'm proud and I'm very proud. You know, go to the people and go and learn their history. When you go there, you learn, you know what is the fact, and you come and what? Restructure yours. Benjari, Fatali, but the medical can say to Otumfuo Asantehene, you can never get signal. A Fatali, but that Bofiaga, you will call now. Madame, who could boldly, but medical can say that Bofiaga, you will call now, you will fear the great God. we sent to the first. And we all want to come imagine Otumfuo family back that got top boy Australia. Tawuga yinyami pona dawo ko biada habaka bo pona ria tawuga male nyonya sila abagama bi wo bomo to titi hai titi na mala biada shwa na bebli mata condemn dog titi kam biada nya la nyonya ba tiaos ya ba tia sawo mala ba ni ba gide obuka ko mi pona atribie ala baga. Colonial, attackíng. Agbata buka banga lórí Nàìjíríà. Ọmọ fún ma lórí Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yà bíbo iná máa ń lọ oṣù. Dada làṣí náà rẹ̀ bàtà bí àwọn. Tàbí kẹ́yìn ni àwọn ọmọ kúkú. Tó kẹ́rù bá ń dọ̀dọ̀ oṣù. Kẹ́rù bá bùkù oṣù àbí nílé kẹ́rù bá rẹ̀. Mi bɛ kuma nka wo wana la firma obuka wo kuna nka yo longodo nka wo global they should go to court, they should go to regional house of chiefs, they should go to national house of chiefs. I contest the Yoba Fiabuba Aflao King. They should go to Supreme Court. They should not hide on what TikTok can be talking. No court on the TikTok can come out on there. I'm going to abandon the other. Over the road. The TikTok define the position of Aflao. Since the 18th century, because colonial masters will regard this dynasty as a monarchy. It's 18th century. You can regard the 15th dynasty as a monarchy of Aflao state. History lanchi. Aflao manje no control the boom. History lanchi. This current amalgamation of the traditional areas of Penyah, we are talking of history. I don't need publication on that. Let me have more. TV Asɛm. But for history that way, they are quoted at the camera. Don't double what we did in one. If they dare, let's go to court. Court of law. Competent court of law. Not on social media. Manya do classically, you would tell the people a bravo to go. But bravo Dashika, a Boganaka, you will have to go to you myself. You can't go out there. Oh, what you want to go to? Look at the 2025 poster or model. People put the order that Kukuachia, Your image is so beautiful. No matter who me brother. Kuku ya no man go ya biola. Awusa kuku ma ni wo ro ale ajia. Kuku mo mo ro. Asantehene no for a reason. Ita yeto ahmedo ya awonka. Ana mi dem yem kore. I think the first time you do kuku ma ni nka Sajima Prepe, you want to restore Ashanti Confederation. If you oversight treaty, you don't come. I think Belanchi Benebu, number yeah, Ashanti so resign from this Ashanti Confederation. If you are you Ashanti Kingdom matter, all side. Let me tell you today, there's no confederation, no signature between any traditional area in this side of the center called Kingdom. It has been a platform who are many people and the Kenya go about talk. It has been resumed to the Auga, Abalea, I'm brand in all that. This is a mystery. When you tell the I don't know where you want to invite the beach man of Ashanti. A children slave trading. That you invite them on board the Trojan horse. But of Ashanti, you go capture. This is a mystery. Everybody, what is the name? Kabila went for 4 million. No money for 4 million. We have facts. I challenge them. I challenge everybody. Everybody over there. They should come with facts, historical facts. When you 1933, we are talking of 18th century. You can view on top of great a monarch. Somebody should challenge this history, not me. When you move, I will 50 on the Copa that one of our 50 years more. The real name is 50. Yeah. This knowledge, this is what we call knowledge. A moment you have a history of Aflao who was smuggling, never send them as wages smugglers. No! If I come and put in order research, if you're not bound to those lies. Listen.
Honorable Commissioner of Angola, 1881 to 1947.
Owenka.
Fia.
Honorable Commissioner of Angola, 1881 to 1947.
Make it publish it. Don't be here. Make it publish here. No more research. Publish at Penyah. Ghana go celebrities. We are monarch. Not fear. Yes. No fear of Amoka. You know. They should go and challenge this. They should challenge this. I throw challenge to them. They should go and challenge this. That the person who published this history. A call for it. I come with me. This is the history. This is the real history. This is the question you people are supposed to ask them. Or would the media design some law for us? Uniform for voter chiefs. I don't know what I see you. Uniform. Yeah. Uniform. Like the Barua, Fiagamana, Lord Walker, one carrying Malabu. Like that is their tradition. One carrying car. And we are going to Malabu. Yes. Those past groups are all. Because who so president of you are a Banon. You may be a fast food. Champion to a fast you. Eh, the boy is a new no one mother, nobody.
kyerɛ w'adwene ma me ɛwɔ comment section aha yɛ Penyah Block Media.